Man, I cannot begin to tell you how much I still enjoy driving this car. This is an MPFI Maruti 800 from 2007 that has been neglected for almost 1 year. As you can see, condition देखो गाड़ी की. ये गाड़ी 1 साल से basically खड़ी हुई है. इसका यहाँ पे the window winder is missing. That's why I cannot adjust that side of the side view mirror. This side is easy to adjust. Everything is basically manual and so analog. And despite that, इस गाड़ी की पूरी बैटरी फ्लैट है. The car has not been started, as I said, for more than a year. And एक बार धक्का मारना पड़ा and the car is back on the road. Just one time, 3 लोगों ने मिलके गाड़ी धक्का मारी and the car is back on the road. And look at how fluid and smooth it is. This is the 4-speed and still I'm doing easily 70-80 kilometers per hour without feeling like I'm stressing the car out after starting it. Like look at the amount of धूल मट्टी on the car. 1 साल बाद गाड़ी चालू होने के बाद भी this is the condition. I love this car. And it's not just that. It's that you downshift and you find this really pleasurable amount of performance that is not too much, but because of the size, the compact dimensions of this car, you can just zip through traffic without creating problems for others or yourself. You can just nip and tuck, give an indicator, look behind, tuck into the next lane and just keep going. Just how smooth, buttery, and still it's kind of peppy. It doesn't feel like a boring car to drive compared to this. A lot of modern cars feel boring to drive, but not this. What a fun machine, man. Go 800. Just nip and tuck and get you through traffic. So light. It feels so light. It feels so maneuverable. No power steering, but still that, as you can see, is kind of a responsive steering in itself. Who wants this? I wish this was my car. It isn't. It's my friend's car. I wish I owned this. It would have been just such a nice, fun car to drive around every now and then. What do you think? आज के दिन में 30-40 हजार की आती है ये. I think it's a great fun thing to have with you, and also a piece of Indian automotive history. Cheers.